Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter 14, exercise 14.6, question number 1. Children, here they are telling you draw angle POQ of measure 75 degree and find its line of symmetry. Now children, here we are going to draw the angle not with the help of protractor children. We are going to construct this angle with the help of compass. Now children, why with the help of compass? See here children, 75. The angle which are multiples of 15 can be constructed with the help of compass. 75 is there in the table of 15. So we can construct it with the help of compass. And also children, we are going to find here the line of symmetry. Line of symmetry here is angle bisector children. Again I am repeating. Here line of symmetry is angle bisector. And children, the angles which are multiples of 15 can be constructed with the help of compass. Now children, let's do it. Now children, here we have to take a line of any measure. Okay, here I have taken this line of any measure you can take. Now children, here we will name it OQ because the angle name is given here, angle POQ. Here O is the vertex children. So O, Q and P will be here somewhere. Now children, here we have to draw the angle of 75 degree. 75 degree is between 60 degree and 90 degree. So first we will construct an angle of 60 degree and 90 degree, and then we will construct an angle of 75 degree. Okay children? Now children, take any measure in the compass. The measure should not be so big, not too small. From here, draw one bigger arc children. Now see children, this is bigger arc. From point O you have to draw it up. Then children, now you see that this arc is intersecting this line in some point. We have to give the point there. Now children, keeping the same measure in the compass, draw another arc here. Now children, here this is the measure of this point of intersection is the measure of 60 degree. So we will have this 60 degree with the dotted line like this. Okay. Now children, with the same measure in the compass, put another arc over here. Okay. And give one arc here upper side with the same measure. This. And now children, this is 60 degree measure. From this is 90 degree measure. Okay children, this is 90 degree. Now I have already told you children that 75 degree is between 60 degree and 90 degree. So children, we are going, see now, here we are getting 2 points children. This 2 points, isn't it? Now we are going to keep this, any measure you can take in this compass. Give one arc here. Give another arc from this point of 90 degree. And children, now we have got 75 degree. Now this is our arc. This is the line that we wanted, 75 degree, and this is the P. Okay children? See children, if you measure with protractor, you will find that we have got here 75 degree. Now children, we have to construct the line of symmetry. The line of symmetry means what children? Angle bisector over here. Now we have this point, 75 degree point, and this 0 degree point. From these 2 points, we are going to keep one arc from this point. Wait children, keep it properly, yeah? Like this, and from this another point like this. Okay, and then we have to join this, and this is our line of symmetry. And children, this line is cutting 75 degree in two equal parts. So half of 75 is what children?